Looking to transform a plain mirror into a stylish statement piece without breaking the bank? Here's a quick DIY upgrade you'll love. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to frame your mirror in just 1 minute using affordable, beginner-friendly materials. Definition: a DIY mirror frame is a simple home improvement project where you add a border around a basic mirror to elevate its look, making it more decorative and polished. Why importance? Mirrors naturally draw attention in a room. Adding a frame not only enhances their style, but also brings personality and sophistication to your space without the need to replace the entire mirror. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Measure each side of your mirror accurately. Step 2. Cut lightweight wooden strips or foam trim to fit those measurements. Step 3. Apply paint or stain to achieve your desired finish. Step 4. Once dry, secure the trim using strong adhesive or double-sided mounting tape. Step 5. Press firmly along the edges for a seamless, professional finish. Tools explained. You'll need a measuring tape, a saw or cutting tool, adhesive or double-sided tape, and optional paint or stain with a small brush. Workflow: measure, cut, finish, dry, and attach. A straightforward process that takes minutes but delivers a high-end transformation. Quick tips: use peel and stick trim for a cleaner, hassle-free approach. Choose finish like matte black, metallic gold, or natural wood to match your room style. Always clean and dry the mirror edges before attaching trim for maximum adhesion. Cost comparison: a ready-made framed mirror can cost anywhere from $50 to $200. But this DIY version delivers the same effect for under $15. Why spend more when you can create a stunning framed mirror yourself in just 1 minute? Try this budget-friendly project today and see the instant difference it makes. For more quick and creative home hacks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.